माई डैड, उन्होंने मेरी हर एक शो देख के मुझे बोला है अरे तुम्हें एक्टिंग सीखने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. सो द डे ही सेज दैट मेरा जीवन सफल हो गया.
और पहले तो बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका टेली चक्कर पे. कंग्रेचुलेशंस, बेकाबू सीजन 2.
Thank you. I'm very excited. I mean, season 2, season 1 did so well. इतना मतलब I think it was one of all's biggest hits when it came out. So of course बहुत सारे लोग बहुत ही बेसब्री से इंतज़ार कर रहे थे season 2 का. एंड सिंस सीज़न 1 रिलीज मुझे मैसेजेस आए हैं, ईमेल्स आए हैं, ट्विटर पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे, हर एक सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट पे कि लोग बेसब्री से मतलब वेट कर रहे कब आएगा सीज़न 2. एंड फाइनली इट्स हियर, इट्स रिलीजिंग टुडे. तो नर्वस हूँ बहुत ही ज़्यादा बिकॉज इट ऑलवेज हैपन. सीज़न 1 जब बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा कर जाए तो ऑलवेज दैट एक्सपेक्टेशन दैट पीपल हैव द बार इज़ रेज्ड अप हाई. So I'm hoping कि लोगों को भी उतना ही पसंद आए जितना season 1 पसंद आया था.
But then when you started being a part of season 1, when you said yes for your character, did you expect that season 2 तो होगा, वो हमें पता था, but then response ऐसा आएगा fans का?
Season 2 होगा मुझे नहीं पता था. इनफैक्ट मुझे season 1 भी कैसे होगा, क्या निकलने वाला है आकर, I didn't know because it was the first time I signed for an erotic thriller, which was the first time I had read. I mean, honestly, I was shooting for Barish at that point. Barish, which ऑल्सो ऑल्ट के साथ है, शर्मन जोशी, आशा नेगी थे साथ में. एंड दैट वाज अ फैमिली, आउट एंड आउट फैमिली ड्रामा. वहाँ पे मतलब जैसे फिल्म सीरियल ड्रामा टाइप का शो था वो. वहाँ पे हाथ भी नहीं पकड़े थे हम, ऐसा था शो. तो वहाँ से पता नहीं क्या एकता को दिखा बारिश में, मेरे कैरेक्टर में, जो एकता को लगा कि ये कश्ती के लिए परफेक्ट होगी. तो उसी वक्त बेकाबू स्टार्ट होने वाली थी शूट. तो मुझे कॉल आया इनकी टीम से कि प्रिया, एकता सेड दैट यू शुड डू कश्ती. और मैं उस वक्त बारिश की शूट कर रही हूँ. एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाई. सो मुझे ऑफिस में बुलाया, आई रेड द स्क्रिप्ट एंड इट वाज सच अ चैलेंजिंग रोल. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर एनी ऑफ सीजन 1, वहाँ पे कश्ती इज़ लाइक दिस गर्ल हु वॉक्स इन एंड शी वांट्स टू मेस अप दीज द कपल हु इज़ एंगेज्ड अबाउट टू मैरी. उनकी लाइफ ख़राब करेगी कि अब आई एक बिच जो अब शी इज़ गोइंग टू मेस अप एवरीथिंग. And it was a very psychotic character to play, and for me what I saw was that this is going to be very challenging for an actor, and probably बहुत ही कम actors को ऐसा मौका मिलता है ऐसे रोल प्ले करने का. So I said yes because that is it. तब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट के अलावा कुछ और नहीं देखा. And it released. I didn't know कि और बारिश was a hit already, वो पहले रिलीज़ हो चुकी थी, और फिर बेकाबू रिलीज़ हुई. And the popularity it gained within a few days of release. 6 days, I think it had already hit the charts of subscription and membership or whatever, of alt. And I was like, this is unbelievable. And लोगों को, you would think एक ऐसे show जो जिसमें it's an erotica or whatever, people will only see that aspect. Young boys देखेंगे ये वो. It was completely the opposite. The people who watched it were much older, aunties, female audience viewership, because I think people saw the very feminist side of it, which was surprisingly great because that was the whole idea of the script, So then I knew that season 2 will happen because of the rage. And I remember getting a call from Amazon. A couple of my friends worked there. They didn't know I was in Bekaboo. उनको पता ही नहीं था मैं हूँ बेकाबू में. They were like, अरे some alt show released and everything is going haywire. The subscription rate has gone to 41%. They were in 18%. How did that happen? I was, that's my show. I was like, I am in that show. So it did so well, So again, then I knew कि season 2 होने वाला है. And now it is here. Let's see. I hope
कि लोग सीजन 3 के इंतजार में बैठे रहे.
And this works better, it work hopefully better than season 1.
Okay, so if I would say about a character, what is that X factor that actually makes you say yes for the role?
I said yes, as I said, the role जब कश्ती का character मुझे आया, it's not, if you have seen season 1 you'll know she looks like a stalker. She walks in the life of Kian and Anaisha. आपको ऐसा लगेगा कौन पागल लड़की है, सब कुछ ख़राब कर रही है. इतने हैप्पी कपल है, लाइफ में आती है इन दोनों की और बर्बाद की जा रही है बंदे को, ब्रेकअप करवा दिया, सब कुछ. शी इज़ लूजिंग इट एंड यूल वॉच एंड यूल हेट हर टिल द लास्ट एपिसोड. दैट दिस चिक इज़ एब्सोल्युटली साइको एंड प्लेइंग अ साइको इज़ चैलेंजिंग. बट आई हैड टू कन्विंस द ऑडियंस कि मैं एक्चुअली में क्रेजी हूँ, और उनको ये बिलीव करना था 10th एपिसोड तक कि ये लड़की पागल है, ये कुछ भी कर सकती है, कभी भी कुछ भी कर सकती है. फिर ट्विस्ट, ऑफ कोर्स आपको सीजन 1 देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा what is the whole reason she's doing all of this, how it's a revenge for her sister that she's taking. And that's what made me say yes. And I'm glad I could stand up to Ekta's belief कि she thought I could do it for some
But then do
reason.
you take back your roles? Because, you know, playing a psycho, playing a psychotic person is not easy. It takes a
was
toll on you.
not. It Kashti first time did definitely take a toll on me. The first season. अभी इस बार तो I was playing myself because now you're not showing that psychoness. वो तो psycho बनी खुद को मतलब she was showing herself to be psycho to take a revenge on Kian. यहाँ पे तो she's back to normal. She season 2 में she's back to being a normal girl. उसका revenge हो गया है ख़त्म. She's happy. She has a cafe. This is about how Kian को उसने बर्बाद कर दिया. वो कैसे वापस आता है अनायशा और कश्ती को बर्बाद करने के लिए. So
But then
this
do you take back your characters home?
I don't actually as an actor, thank God, knock on wood, I don't, I'm not the kind of actor who takes the roles back home. I cut हो जाता है तो मैं भूल जाती हूँ सब कुछ. Luckily, you know, because I know there are a lot of actors who take it home and, you know, but I know where to draw the line between my personal and professional life. I think it comes to me naturally काफ़ी हद तक. मुझे I don't have to try कि नहीं अब मैं भूल जाऊँगी अपने characters को. No, I've not yet played anything that intense जो मेरे साथ थोड़ा सा रह गया घर पे. First time Bekabu was a little hectic because the scenes and the dialogues, everything, you know, was a little intense. फिर भी after cut, you know, I go for a nice meal, I watch a nice show and I try to forget about it. And I try to, you know, refresh for the next day. Luckily, I have that in me. It comes to me naturally. I don't take it home.
What is the best part or maybe the worst part about being on the sets of Bekabu?
Best part, season 2 or season 1? Season 2, best part. I mean, I had great people I was working with. Aram directed the show. Last season 1 was directed by Akshay Chaubey. This one, Aram. And I've worked with Aram before. I was in season 2 of Jamai, which he directed me in. And I knew right away that he's a great director. So the best part was that Aram felt like home. Because Jamai season 2 mein wo the mere saath. So I knew, you know, there's already that rapport, you know, that you know how he directs, you know what he wants out of you. तो वो मुझे बेकाबू सेट पे आई तो मुझे ऐसा लगा अरे you know back with the same person and when you're comfortable with the director, you know, it's very easy to work. And other than that, I think everything else, yeah, like my co-actors, there was Taha who's playing my co-actor who's playing Noveen. I've known that guy forever. मैं ताहा को पिछले 7-8 साल से जानती हूँ. So when I found out he's doing Noveen का role, I was very like, okay, good, thank God, you know. Like अरे इसको तो मैं बहुत मतलब अच्छे दोस्त हैं. So a show like this, when you have that kind of comfort, it's so much easier. And everybody else, Paul के साथ मैंने बारिश की हुई. So there's all every individual got along really well. So this set itself was a very happy place.
Okay, so I would say that, you know, you are that kind of a person जिनको काफ़ी fans follow करते हैं. I'm sure you might have been trolled also in your life. I'm sure that, you know, putting anything on the social media makes you think maybe twice or thrice. How difficult do you find doing all these things at one span in time, because it's not an easy task. It's not easy to be a celebrity.
Yeah. You know, you can't stop people from trolling you. That's something, it's beyond your control. Like आप कुछ भी डालो, picture डालो, video डालो, कुछ किसी के against बोलो, किसी के for. I mean, it doesn't matter. People will troll you regardless. That's something you can't control. So the only thing you can do is protect yourself, which is not let it get to you. As an actor, as a celebrity, as an influencer, whoever it is, if you're putting yourself out there, अगर आप अपनी ज़िंदगी को public के हाथों में दे रहे हो, then it's up to them what they want to do, what they want to comment. You can't stop that. But what you can stop is protect yourself and not mentally get affected by it, which I think, again, luckily, naturally, मुझे affect नहीं करता ज़्यादा. When a lot of times I don't even read my like comments. I don't go through my comments a lot of times because I know there could be good things, bad things, who cares, you know. So I don't let it get to me. I protect myself because I know I don't want to go to sleep thinking अरे किसी ने मेरे बारे में ऐसा लिखा है. And I know it's difficult for a lot of people out there because people are very sensitive to these things. But my suggestion to every celebrity or actor who's put themselves out there कि आप जानते हो ये आपका काम, it's a part and parcel of what we do. You know, you're putting your life out there, people are going to judge you, people are going to say things you might not like. Best is don't let it get to you. Do your job, do your work, do your bit. अगर आपको पसंद नहीं है तो restrict कर दो ना comments. Don't allow people to comment on your posts. then you don't have to see it.
Okay, so I would say that television में एक बहुत basic चीज़ है that people end up getting typecasted if they play a very Sati Savitri वाला role or very decent वाला role, and then the other audience cannot accept them. Now it is changing, but they can't accept them in all this bold role. Now, as you just pinpointed, saying that you were a part of Barish, and there is when Ekta ma'am saw you and then she gave you this series. So what do you think, that was it like a boon or a bane for you, because वहाँ आप बिल्कुल अलग थे, यहाँ आप बिल्कुल अलग हैं? So is it like a plus for you because people got to see both the sides of you?
Yeah, I personally think this is something we need to break as an actor, because I think it's my responsibility, it's our responsibility as today's actors, newcomers, that break this thing ना कि typecast क्यों करना है किसी को. हॉलीवुड में नहीं होता है. हॉलीवुड में अगर आप दिस सुपरमैन का रोल कर रहा है हेनरी कैविल, तो वो सबसे बड़ा विलन का रोल भी वही कर रहा है. And I mean, this is Shah Rukh Khan has done a Dar or Bazigar, and he's done a Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. So if you want to break it, you can break it. You have to just be wise with your decisions and with the choices you make, and you have to show the versatility you have as an actor. Like मैंने बारिश किया, फिर मैंने ट्विस्टेड की, फिर मैंने जमाई किया, फिर मैं हर एक कैरेक्टर मेरा अलग है. And that's my goal, is to keep doing things where I can do different things also as an actor, and audience can see me doing different things and be equally convinced in all the characters.
So in that case, which was your favorite? Because playing multiple characters.
Kashti is always going to be my all-time favorite. Bekabu season 1, and I think Twisted में play करने में मुझे बड़ा मजा आया था Myra का role जहाँ पे, and it worked. It was one of the best. Twisted 3 was the most subscribed and watched show of Jio, and I loved it because, again, as a woman, they don't typecast you. She's this go-getter. She's in a man's world where the men are on top, and she has to work her way up. And I just love these kind of. I'm not saying I'm a crazy feminist, but I just believe that these are the roles that can change the perspective of people around you. And I like playing those roles.
Are you a big critic? Do you like criticizing your work or watching your work?
You'll be very surprised. I actually don't watch my work. There's very few things I've watched till date. Bekabu season 1 also I've not seen properly. I've just heard. I saw the end climax because मुझे पता था वो it's twisted and all of that. But मैंने अपने shows देखती ही नहीं हूँ बहुत. I am a critic. I don't like watching myself. I can watch other people's shows and I love it. But the moment I am on screen, I can't. I'm just like on the phone. I don't like looking at myself. So it's very weird. You will not see me watching me ever.
And if I would say that आपकी अपनी life में who's that one person apart from yourself who's very difficult to please?
My dad.
And what was his response for your series?
उन्होंने मेरी हर एक शो देख के मुझे बोला, अरे तुम्हें एक्टिंग सीखने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. मेरे डैड को, और हर बार किसी ने, मतलब मेरे को एक्टर्स भी मेरे साथ में, अरे तुमने उसकी, मतलब सीन चल रहा है, वो सीन देख रहे हैं जहाँ मैं हूँ और कोई और है. दिस पर्सन इज किल्ड यू इन द सीन. You need to learn. My dad is probably going to be the hardest person in my life to please, who's actually ever going to be like, good job. So the day he says that, मेरा जीवन सफल हो गया. Even though I know he secretly loves watching me. He's going to be the first one to छुप छुप के देखेंगे कौन सा show आ रहा है ये वो करके. He reads everything, I know that. But then at the same time, he's my biggest critic.
Any parting words that you want to tell the fans, and what are your plans for 2021?
Plans बाद में बताती हूँ. First of all, Bekabu 2 release हो रही है आज 7:30 p.m. 15th of March. Please go watch it, and you won't be disappointed. It is going to be definitely bigger and better than season 1. काफ़ी nervous हूँ, बहुत excited हूँ. Please देखिए, आपको अच्छा लगे बुरा लगे जो भी लगे, प्लीज़ मुझे सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट्स पे बताइए मैसेज करके. Be an honest critic, and if you like it, please show your love.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakka's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.